सो जब हम किसी चीज को अचीव करने की बात करते हैं, and this is one of the reasons why most people are not able to achieve what they think or they say that they want, is because they don't have any goal. ऐसे मैं चाहता हूँ जी मुझे सुकून हो. ओके, नाउ दैट इज नॉट अ गोल, ये एक कैफियत है. ओके, और सुकून की कैफियत, आप अगर थोड़ी देर के लिए सो जाए आपको सुकून आ जाएगा. ओके, अगर आपको नींद की गोली दे दी जाए आपको सुकून आ जाएगा. यानी सुकून ही अगर गोल है तो ये, दिस इज नॉट अ गोल, ये कैफियत है. ओके, नाउ somebody has just said I'd like to be confident. I'd like, it's a preference. It's like जैसे मैं खाने के लिए गया हूँ, well I would like to have a chicken, and if you don't have chicken then I'm okay with fish. Okay, it's a preference, it's not a want. The way you phrase your statements, the way you phrase your desires, and when you say, oh, I didn't get it. Yeah, you didn't get it because you started on the wrong foot. Or karo, my question is, what do you want? My question is not, what would you like to have today?